Good morning, sunshines. This is breakfast at our house. To start, I'm making scrambled eggs for little Manny. He typically always eats eggs in the morning, and sometimes we add mushrooms or spinach to the eggs, but we don't have any today, so it'll just be plain scrambled eggs today. For us, I'm making these amazing cheddar cheese quesadillas with tortilla wraps that are made of cashew flour instead of wheat flour from a brand called Siete, like the number 7. And I kid you not, these are the bomb. So freaking good. I know many of you will ask, so the pan I'm using is from Green Pan, and I'm just adding a little bit of coconut oil before putting the quesadilla in. And in case you missed my previous video, yes, I'm in a new location. Yes, I have a new stove, and I finally have a gas stove again, which I like so much more than an electric stove like I had in my old place. Moving on, now that I'm done with one quesadilla, I'm just gonna go ahead and put his eggs right in so he can get it quicker. And little Manny likes his eggs a very specific way. He only eats scrambled eggs like if they're like thickened up a little bit and not in like watery small chunks. He likes like the big chunks, so it took me a while to perfect the way he likes his eggs, so this is it. And for Big Manny, my husband, I'm making PLATANO maduros, which is sweet plantains. Let me know in the comments below how many of you guys eat this as well. And if you've never tried it, even if you're not Hispanic, please try it. You are missing out if you haven't tried it. I'm also making sunny side up eggs for him, just simple sunny side up. I'm not like the best at making eggs and breakfast and all of this stuff. I just make it however I know how to make it, but the honest truth is he makes breakfast much better than I do, but he's not good at filming it, so that's why I'm filming it. But really, all of this is really simple, really easy to do, nothing complicated as you can see, and it tastes amazing. Now I sprinkle a little Himalayan salt. I wish I had the thinner one. We don't have the thinner one right now. It's just like the thick pieces, but you get the point. Breakfast is served and we get to enjoy it now. Now this is a process we actually do every morning basically. Even when we're not eating like a proper breakfast and everything, we still make our morning drinks. His drink is coffee and mine is chai tea. Or any other type of tea really, because I'm breastfeeding still and I'm not drinking caffeine. So while his coffee is brewing, I add all the ingredients in the blender. And Manny likes a little ghee in his coffee. He also likes a little maple syrup and about 2 scoops of collagen. And he introduced me to this brand. I don't know if you guys remember this in my food haul if you haven't watched it. It's a brand called Four Sigmatic and we love them. We've been using them for over a year, maybe 2. He likes adding the lion's mane and cordyceps mushroom elixir mix to his coffee, so I'm adding both in the blender as well. And it's very beneficial to use and very easy to use, and you can add it to your milk, your coffee, your tea, your water, anything that you like warm, and blend it up or mix it up, and it's delicious.
Oh, I feel energy.
Now for my drink, I'm getting a little bit of water from my filter and then adding a little bit of milk. You can add whatever milk you choose of your choice. And I'm using my favorite from Four Sigmatic, which is the chai latte mushroom mix, which is amazing for the gut and a great caffeine replacement. And it's good enough alone, of course, but today I decided to add the Chaga mushroom elixir, which is packed with antioxidants, vitamin C, supports energy levels and the immune system. So this is a great way to start my day. And to sweeten my chai tea a little bit, I use 1 spoon of monk fruit and 1 spoon of honey. And sometimes I blend it in the blender like I did for Manny's coffee, and sometimes I don't because I'm lazy and I just mix it up in a cup, but it's always very, very good. And I really enjoy drinking this in the morning, even when I'm not having like an actual breakfast. And make sure you guys go to the description box below because I do have a 15% off link for Four Sigmatic, so you guys can try it out if you haven't. And even if you have, I know you want to get that 15% off because it's that good. So everything will be listed down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, sunshines.